Hello and welcome to today's video. I am Sarvesh Kutti, founder of Auris Wealth, your family's private CFO and wealth partner. In today's video, we are going to understand why direct stock investing seldom results into long-term wealth creation for majority of the people. I would say more than 90% of the people who do direct stock investing don't really end up creating long term substantial wealth as compared to those who invest in structured products and trust professionals and professional fund managers in mutual fund, SIF, PMS, AIF, etc. to handle their wealth, and why people who invest using goal based system and through a structured product system usually more than 90% of the times with discipline end up creating good amount of long term wealth. Before starting the video, if you are interested in creating long term wealth for your and your family using the guidance of a professional team, a professional wealth partner, then Auris Wealth is the right partner for you. We are providing free portfolio guidance call to everyone where online we understand what your current portfolio allocation is, what your financial situation is. Based on that, we outline what goals you have in your life, and according to those goals we help you to choose and then invest and periodically track and review your portfolio so that your investments are always in line in achieving your goals. So the first step is to book a free portfolio guidance call with us online. The link to this free portfolio guidance call is in the description. You can also WhatsApp us, and through the WhatsApp we will send you the link to booking the free guidance call. Thank you so much. So let's start. The stock market secret, how finding the few big winners is actually very hard as compared to what most people believe. And instead of chasing perfection, one should focus on long term growth. Let's do a comparison about direct stocks and mutual funds and how things work out in real life scenario, and why mutual funds win in the long game structurally. Here I have taken the example of mutual funds, but this holds true to any structured product, whether it be SIF or PMS or AIF as well. But because most of the people invest in mutual funds, so that's why we have taken this example. So in terms of direct stocks, the analogy is of a stagnant pond where you have just a few stocks in your portfolio which are stuck there for many years. And the typical behavior of any investor or most of the investors is, if the stock goes up, they fall in love with the stock thinking that it will continue to go up forever. If the stock goes down and they are in loss, they are reluctant to book that loss, because why would they book a loss? Because it is kind of in our psychology accepting defeat. This happens to almost everybody. This is the reason why most people are not able to book their losses early and stay with the course of direction to keep on picking high momentum stock on a regular basis, right? Also, there are a lot of biases that come. First bias is the high emotional bias, where you forgive your own bad choices, just like you wouldn't fire your own son for crashing your car. Okay, so this is just an analogy, which means that you forget what bad decision you took 10 years back in terms of investing, and that same decision keeps on repeating and you keep on getting the same underperformance in your portfolio. The other problem that happens is tax leak, where you are taxed on every single buy and sell portfolio adjustment, which means that whenever you sell a portfolio stock, you have to incur an LTCG or an STCG tax. On top of it, you have to pay STT, you have to pay brokerage, you have to pay GST on the brokerage. All of these taxes are there, and eventually what happens is it ends up destroying the compounding growth that can happen in your portfolio. The third problem is trapped capital. when your stock crashes, your limited capital is stuck, which means that you don't have enough dry powder or cash in hand to take the advantage whenever there is a crash in the market. For example, whenever there is a crash of 3 to 5%, we always suggest our clients to shift from their arbitrage funds or gold funds into equity funds to just capture that correction, so that whenever there is a recovery they can benefit from it. This was seen as a fantastic example in March 2020, when most people were fully invested. They didn't have a backup plan or a proper system to allocate the funds whenever there is a crash. And during 2020 March period, most of the people did not have cash in hand, and the clients who had cash in hand, they were able to shift their liquid funds or debt funds and gold funds into equity. And by the time May or June came in 2020, the crash recovery had already completed, and by December the Nifty had given almost 60-65% more returns from the top of the March period. So this is how most of the people, because of trapped capital in direct stocks, they are not able to take the advantage of this kind of allocation and buying more units during market crash. Now let's look at mutual funds. Mutual funds is like a flowing river as opposed to a stagnant pond of direct stocks, where we have complete objectivity, where the fund managers are fired for poor performance, like they are hired for a better performance as well, which means that the fund manager, if they do not perform well, either you change the fund or the AMC itself will change the fund manager, which means that you don't have to worry about performance of the fund as such, or you don't have to invest your time and energy looking for the winning stock, because a professional fund management team is managing your fund, which ensures that there is a strict discipline of investing that automatically happens. Second is the biggest advantage in my opinion is the zero tax drag, which means that in a mutual fund pool, your investments does not have to incur LTCG, STCG, STT, brokerage, etc. Because only if you sell the units of the fund will you incur your capital gains tax. Till then, you don't have to pay any other charges, right? Of course, there are some statutory charges, etc., but they are all embedded into your expense ratio. So in effect, you have to pay zero taxes on internal portfolio changes, which allows for an unhindered and rapid compounding long term. Is continuous cash flow advantage, which means that there is a constant influx of new capital in an mutual fund, whether it be through SIP or through lump sum. As of today in April 2026, the SIP book of India is around 25-26,000 crore rupees, which means that every month 25 to 26,000 crore rupees fresh capital is coming in, and the lump sum amount is also coming in. So there is a constant influx of new capital, which enables the managers to buy great companies cheaply during market crashes, which typically cannot happen in a normal direct stocks portfolio, because everybody as an individual has limited capital, no matter how large your capital is. So let's look at the 5-year reality check of your portfolio. Great investing isn't about hitting one lucky sixer, it's about playing a consistent, undefeated innings. So this is your direct stock portfolio of around 15-20 stocks, but if you compare it with around 4 to 5 goal based average mutual funds, this will win long term anytime. And here's the challenge: if your actively managed direct stock portfolio is not consistently beating 12 to 15% CAGR of a standard boring mutual fund over the past 5 years, then you are taking a massive extra risk for low returns. On top of it, you are taking a burden of research and taxation and peace of mind in terms of doing all the research and investing your time in doing the transaction, etc. So the best solution is to stop comparing your best stock to a mutual fund. Start comparing your entire portfolio's return to your entire portfolio's mutual fund comparison. That will give you the true picture of your current returns, what is the reality. So finally, my suggestion would be to stop guessing and start compounding your wealth in the long run with the help of Auris Wealth, your family's wealth partner. Let's find out if your current portfolio is working for you or against you. How will we do that? The simple solution is to book your free portfolio guidance call with Auris Wealth today. The simple first step that you need to take is WhatsApp us invest on this number 93266 and we will send you a link to book your free portfolio guidance call online. It is absolutely for free. We will be 100% transparent with you and we will suggest you based on your and your family's financial goals which products, whether it be PMS, AIF, mutual fund, SIF, etc., will be the best for your family's long-term financial goals achievement. So go ahead, WhatsApp us and take the first step towards your lifetime wealth creation journey. Thank you so much. If you found value in this video, then do give this video a thumbs up. Also do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such long-term wealth creation concepts and videos. And also, if you have any doubt, ask that doubt in the comment section. We will be more than happy to answer your doubts. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.